Let's go crypto investing. Subscribe, bell notification, like the channel for that education and information you need to sidestep and audible the fleece heisters and shysters and paid YouTube charlatans and crypto influencers that are out there in your quest to increase your standard of living in the times of turmoil and crypto crashing across the board into your asset acquisition and phase of your life. And that's what you need to understand and get educated on. And that's what we're so everyone on these hopium stations, we're riding that most recent pump, telling you this was going up here. And I kept telling you this was coming down here. And I haven't made as many videos recently because we have a channel, Michigan Snow Forecast Gold Standard, that we're going to do a little advertising on real quick here because I'm a worked up today. I'm a worked up Vincenzo based on the fleecing going on out here. But this is the hottest growing top 3 weather service and snowfall predicting that you can get on Facebook for free and YouTube, right? That I post here sometimes. And we're going to do storm chasings as we start to get closer to 10,000 followers, as we have 2,400 strong. And congratulations to everybody that's on this station as we have continuous video. Go crypto investing, and you can see the Bitcoin price continues to drop. And we told you it would. And the people that were telling you the price was going to continue to skyrocket without any kind of move to the downside in the short term, based off the pattern, what we had here, are just the fleece heisters and shysters, the Carl from the moons that tell you it's going to the moon there on every pump, the cryptos, the whole way down. This is what goes on in the YouTube influencers, the cryptos, the Carl from the moons. Bear market's over, or there's no bear market, there's no bear market, there's no bear market, there's no bear market. Then we're in a bear market, but it's over. The bear market's over. The bear market's over. The bear market's over, right? The whole time. And the whole time down, correction, just a correction, just a correction, right? Just a correction, Carl from the moon, correction. Bull market started. Watch any of these videos from these fleece heisters and shysters. Every single move they improperly identify because they're YouTube charlatans that are being paid to promote the hype and the hopium train to try to get you to buy the cost, the token, and shyster coins like that, that they walk away with all the fucking money when there ain't even really a coin there. It's just a big, high momentum, high market, high volume fleecing, right? And salesmanship. And they walk away with all the money. They pump it the whole time in here, and then the price rolls over, right? They ride the nice up momentum for a couple of months. You can see from here when we bottomed in January, we rode that uptrend until April, and they ride that hopium, right, where the bull market started, and they have a couple of videos in a row where they can post of some big up moves, and it rolls right back over on itself. Then they go, oh, the bottom's in, we're having another pump, and they don't diagnose that this is just a big bear flag, and it's going to break down, right, and it's going to continue to break down. And then they do the same thing here at the next level. And it does a smaller consolidation, but the same thing, and then it breaks down, right? And the same thing is going on here. That's what's been going on this whole fucking time. That's just like on this last recent pump. Was it a great pump? Yes. It was a phenomenal pump, right? From its low, its 2022 low, it went up 64.33%. And the only thing you're going to hear about these guys now, the best performing asset in 2023, the best performing over the last 6 months, right? Since November. But what they won't tell you is it went down 50% right before then. And if you rise out the chart to the bigger picture and the bigger time frame, this fucking coin is down at current price 68.66%. And yet it's at its top of that 62% move, it's still down 63% overall. They're not telling you that, right? And you guys are being fleece heisted and shysted on every little bump and pump in the road, and you're not zooming out and you're not looking at the bigger picture of what's going on. And Vincenzo told you we were topping out up here, and you had an upper end potential, but it was only about a 5% chance to get up there. But we diagnosed this out beautifully in here. When this got rejected the first time, we told you could bounce at the 200 day. And if you did, you would most likely retest a double top or a mountain on double topping reversal pattern, and you would get driven right down with a descending 200-day moving average in green that we drew out there, and you would most likely take a move down to the downside to retest at 15,375.14, right? Let's put this on so we don't get disturbed. to 317, 16, 14 down here at the 2022 low that we had down there. And look at this, we got rejected. The big reversal. Everyone on these hopium stations were riding that most recent pump, telling you this was going up here. And I kept telling you this was coming down here. And I haven't made as many videos recently because we have a channel, Michigan Snow Forecast Gold Standard, that we're going to do a little advertising on real quick here because I'm a worked up today. I'm a worked up Vincenzo based on the fleecing going on out here. But this is the hottest growing top free weather service and snowfall predicting that you can get on Facebook for free and YouTube, right? That I post here sometimes. And we're going to do storm chasings as we start to get closer to 10,000 followers, as we have 2,400 strong. And congratulations to everybody that's on this station as we have continuous videos and winter storm coverage. And it's been a very active 3 weeks here in the state of Michigan. So we've had to cover 4 winter storms over the last 16 or 17 days with our forecast, and it takes a lot of time. That's why we haven't been on here as much, but we're very upset today. And you need to go check that station out. But when you get fleece heisted like that, and these paid charlatans were riding this whole pump the whole way, and we told you you could get supported here and ride that local double top, but it was coming down. And it's come down big, and it's come down fast, and it's come down hard. And you people that got fleece heisted and shisted are taking the bare back-breaking 20% loss in the recent couple of days in the Bitcoin price. And it's just an absolute travesty that you get fleeced and you get fleeced hard. And the next area that you could try to find a bounce where these YouTube charlatans could get a video or two with a 24 hours bounce is coming down here to the 19,049 and 13. And then you could bounce back up like we have it drawn out right here, back into these moving averages, but then it drives you down. Then you get a little bounce back up, then it drives you down, right? So that's what we're going to be watching as the volume continues to decline.